Leah Hill here at Harvesters Ranch, and welcome back to my kitchen. I am very excited to announce our 3 new flavors of pan sausage or just seasoned ground beef. So this takes the guesswork out of your seasoning and your flavor profile. So you defrost it, add it to whatever dish you want, and you're done. So I'm actually going to be making breakfast patties, chorizo burgers, and Italian burgers. And another great way to use this, if you're going to make meatballs or a lasagna or something an Italian type nature, the seasoning's already done in the ground beef for you. Chorizo, if you're doing street tacos, regular soft tacos, or like a taco salad, or anything that's within that vibe of flavor, it's already seasoned for you. And the breakfast pan sausage, you can add to your eggs in the morning, or you can make them into sausages, or you can make them into a breakfast patty, which I'm going to be doing today. So really excited to bring these to you. Fast, easy, quick meals. So many varieties. It's insane. So I'll be shooting a lot of different videos with these, but I'm going to keep it super simple. All I'm going to do, I defrosted it. I'm going to cut them open. I'm going to put them in my burger press. All 3 of them are actually going to go into the grill. But if you didn't want to grill them, stick them in the oven or stick them on the stovetop and they're ready to go. Alright guys, just want to show you the color on that chorizo. It's awesome. So I'm going to show you how easy this is. Cut it open. Stick it in your pan. Separate it out and forth with your hands. Stick it in your patty press. And voila, you have a patty. Super fun, super easy. So I have 3 more to do and they're going to the grill. All right guys, they are done. So we have the breakfast, Italian, chorizo, and ancestral blend. So the only one I did not make, just because I didn't have room on the grill, was our sirloin grounds. So a lot of great fun options. These will get us through a couple of meals this week. So you can eat them by themselves. You can do bunless. You can make your own buns. You could use mushrooms as your bun substitute, or even sliced eggplant as your bun substitute. So anyway guys, bon appetit. It's time for us to eat. So Leah Hill her out. See y'all next time.